Hey y'all, it's your girl Pink Cake. How are y'all doing tonight? I bet all of y'all is busy doing y'all Thanksgiving cooking and gonna be up all night. Trust me, I know how that go. But I'm good. I've been pretty busy. I had to find time to get this marvelous seafood boil up in here. Don't it look so good? Look at it, y'all. I got some vegetables, some cucumbers. I got some celery. Y'all look at those lemons. I got some lobster tails. Don't those look good? I got some lobster tails. And I got some sticky crab I made. Y'all know I made all this food myself. Y'all already know. Look at that. Don't that crab legs look good? This is Dungeness crab. This is my favorite kind of crab, y'all. Yes. Oh, that's garlic right there. Then I got some boiled eggs. Whoops. That was roly. And then I got some potatoes. Y'all can see that. And then I got some regular garlic butter. That's not spicy. And of course, y'all know I got my B-Love spicy smackalicious sauce right here. Yes, that's gonna be so spicy but good. Y'all already know how that go. But when my mouth get too hot, I'm about to just get this garlic butter going right here. Yes, a whole stick. I was doing a lot tonight by doing a whole stick. So, don't this look so good? Once again, the lobster tails. Where we at up in here? Yes, honey. And then these crab legs. Yes, I made these in my wok. And actually, I got my wok sitting right here with all the extra garlic butter and stuff I, switched it up in. So if I ever wanted just to dip in that, I'm going to do that. So y'all, enough of me talking. Let's get started. And I got this too to sprinkle on my vegetables too. Salt and vinegar. All right. Let me say grace. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food. Let it be nourishment for my body. Bless the cook. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you, Lord. Okay, y'all. So what y'all doing for Thanksgiving besides cooking? Like, what y'all cooking? Like, is y'all cooking the same thing y'all always cook every year? Or is y'all trying something different? Y'all gonna try something different y'all seen on YouTube or something? This is so good. And after all this good food, y'all see right here. After all this good food y'all see right here, I'm gonna start off with the vegetables. Can y'all see the fire behind me? I set a fire. It's the right season for the fire too. It's cold outside. That cucumber and salt and vinegar is so freaking good. Y'all like the fire? Look. I made it just for y'all. One for me too, so I can be toasty as I sit here. But let me get started on these lobster tails. Y'all know what I forgot? I forgot my lemon. I'm gonna have to have somebody bring me my lemon. Because I'm really gonna want that. Okay? Look at that. This camera is set up kinda. Let me see. Can y'all see that? Lobster tail and butter and garlic. Let's get that in. That's so good. I need my lemon. I really just do. I got some fresh lemon juice that I squeezed over there in the kitchen because I was making my homemade lemon pies. So, that requires that you squeeze like 12 fresh lemons. So, I got a little bit of lemon juice over there. So, yeah. I may need to go get it. I don't want to leave the camera, though, because that's all the way over here, and I'm in front of the fireplace. And the kitchen is back there. But y'all, look at this. This is so good. I'm over here just smacking, ain't even showing y'all. This is bomb. I'm trying to get it in the camera so y'all can see me take it out. Because right now, I think I'm butchering it. Oh, yeah. Look at that. And I left some in there, too. I don't want to leave no lobster tail, woo, left behind. Y'all, it's meat still up in there. Okay? Meat up in here. Good old lobster meat. So like I was saying, what is y'all making? Y'all making regular stuff y'all always make, or is y'all trying something different this year? Or is it a mixture? Y'all doing everything classic, but gonna mix it up by trying like one or two new different recipes. I really need my lemon, y'all. I'm not even playing. Yep, I really just do. These lobster tails are so juicy. Y'all see the potatoes and the crab, all that. It's just so good. And I got my potatoes. And I got my Be-Love Smackalicious spicy sauce. Y'all already know how that look. Y'all know how that go. Oh, yes. I wish the light was better over here so y'all could see. I wonder what y'all eating right about now. Is y'all already eating on some Thanksgiving food? What y'all make for dinner? I gotta get this potato up in here so y'all can see me get my dip on. Ooh, yes. That is so hot on my fingers, you guys, but it's delicious. I always say the same thing, huh? So freaking spicy, but so freaking delicious. Like I said, if y'all ain't tried this, go try you some. And you let it sit a couple days like spaghetti, it's just the flavor just marry even more. So good. Yes. Oh my goodness. I'm forgetting everything. I'm gonna have to get up. Because I left my scissors to cut the crab. And I left my lemons. So let me get one more bite. And then I'm about to go get up and go get my crab. I mean my scissors. When you cook the crab this good, you have to suck the shell. And yes, I did clean my crab legs. I got the hair off and everything. So this is all good. Don't even trip off that. No, I don't need the scissors for the crab, but it just makes it easier sometimes with the scissors. Look at that. I didn't even show y'all. Wow. That is so freaking good. Yes, I am getting meat out of here with my nail. I'm about to dip it. Sure is. I said I was gonna take that one bite and go get some scissors, but that was too good. I ain't about to get up right now. Hold on now. Maybe one more bite, then I go get the scissors. Like I said, y'all, got this wok over here that I cooked my stuff in. all I gotta do is just go re-dip it in that, and there we go again. All that butter. Oh yeah. This is so delicious. No, it's not as much meat as king crab, but to me, my preference, I think this tastes better than king crab. But that's just me. Y'all, for real, I need to go get my lemon. This is just so good. I don't want to walk away. I mean, like, who could blame me, right? This tastes so good. Y'all like my sweater? Cute, huh? It's kind of glistery and sparkly. And it's cute. Okay, y'all. Last one for real. And then I'm about to go get my lemon. And my scissors. Yes. Look. Yes. Look at all that onion. My tongue got stuck in there. Yes. El spicy. Oh yeah. This is spicy. I ain't even touching my garlic butter that much. I'm gonna get over there to it though. But I just feel like this Dungeness crab and this Be Lovely sauce, it's just on point. Look, can y'all see it? I'm gonna go in my mouth. I wish it was here right now. Okay, y'all. Let me hook my fingers and then dry them, and I'll be right back. I have to go get my lemon. I'm so sorry. I hate to leave you, but let me go get my lemon. I'll be right back. Guess what? I got my lemon. Okay, I'm back. I got the scissors. So, now that I got my lemon and my scissors, let's do this. Do y'all like y'all crab and seafood with lemon, or could you go without lemon on y'all seafood? Me personally, it all depends on what I'm eating. So like shrimp, it's like I can go without it, but I do love it on it. Like, don't get me wrong. And I just keep doing this because this is so good. Be Love Smackalicious spicy sauce. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. And happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Mm-hmm. I hope y'all be safe. Remember, where y'all go, keep a mask on. So y'all don't spread nothing nowhere, okay? And I know everybody be laughing and coughing and sneezing right now. It's be like cold and stuff outside, so just be careful. That stabbed me all up in my jaw. But do y'all like the claw? I got the scissors, but watch me not even use it. Y'all see that? Let me show you with this hand. Look at that meat. Y'all, this seafood by the fireplace is the one. I'm just gonna let y'all know that right now. And I'm gonna dip this inside some garlic butter now. So good. Now, I ain't got nothing to talk about. All I've been doing all day is Thanksgiving stuff. Bacon. I just took some pies out the oven, and my daughter just got done peeling some sweet potatoes. I'm gonna cut my finger. My daughter just got done peeling some sweet potatoes so I could make the sweet potato pie, and so I could make the yams. Y'all, this thing is hard. There we go. But look at that. It's a little bit of meat in there, but look at that meat. Oh yes. And this time I put some lemon on it. I went to go get the lemon, so let me use some lemon, and let me eat some eggs too. If I got like all of this in here yet, I'm not eating it. Yep, let's do that. I don't know why it's gotta be so delicious tonight, but it is. It's so good, and I'm so happy. Ain't y'all happy when y'all food good? Is y'all mad when y'all food nasty? Tell me that. Is y'all mad when y'all food nasty? I tell you one thing, I don't eat nasty food. So if your food nasty, you ain't gotta worry about me coming your way. Okay? Because I cook good food, and so if I cook good food, that obviously means I eat good food. You know? And I see this meat all up in here I'm trying to get, but it's stubborn. It don't want to come out. But I'm gonna get you, boo. I'm gonna get you. Yes. Let's see. This is still some meat up in this claw. Look. Y'all see the meat up in there? Y'all, this fire feels so good. This feels so good. I got a fake fireplace in the other room, but this is my real one. And to me, them fake fireplaces, well, at least mine in the other room, it don't get that hot. It's just for decoration. That's a big one too. It look real, but that thing don't give out no heat. It's just to look cute. That's it. And I'm holding it all over there like y'all can see it. It's how that camera made. It's set up all on this side. I got a shell. You know, nobody want to be eating on no shell. But this crab, though, Do y'all like Dungeness crab? Or do y'all think the meat too little? What y'all think? To me, I think it's the bomb.com. That's what I think. And look at this right here. Yeah. Just watch out for them little bitty, I mean not for little bitty, but those little thin shells that be right here in the middle. You think you be having all that meat, and then you been to crunch down a little baby shell, and be like, dang, I thought that was all meat. Yeah, dip it in that be lovely smackalicious sauce. Y'all, this so good. Like, I can't even make this up. Oh, this crab right here. I ain't even been eating no lobster. Let me get over to that lobster. It's just, this is the business. This is the total business. Oh, yeah. I gotta get all this meat up out of here. Because there's so much. Dang, some just fell. Yes. Y'all know where I got this seafood at, right? Y'all know where I ain't never been before? I've never been to Sam's Club. Never. I always go to Costco. My cousin came over tonight. Talking about Sam's Club. Talking about, you need to go to Sam's Club. The shrimp is bigger and all this other stuff. But I'm like, I don't like big old shrimp. I like jumbo shrimp. But when they start getting like this, I don't want that. That is too big for me. I do not want no big old shrimp like that. Like, why? Nope. So, on that note, I don't need to go. What else we got? Don't that look good? Just sitting up in there like that, huh? We just gonna do it just like that. Trying to make it look cute. But y'all know what it tastes like. I got so much to do. After I'm done with this video, I still gotta be cooking. Okay? That's normally what I do all night on Thanksgiving Eve. I'm cooking all night. I know everybody do the same thing. I'm not the only one. But there's some things I do make the day of on Thanksgiving. And that's my macaroni and cheese, my dressing, my turkey and my ham. My potato salad and everything, that can wait. You know, I can do that a day or two early. Actually, one day. Tonight, early. I ain't doing nothing 2 days early. Because I like my stuff fresh. Oh, yeah. You just gotta peel this, thin shells off. Because not, you'll be choking. Well, that fell. Oh, well. I got all of this. That's so good. Like the meat out that shell. Yes. All right. I'm getting in the middle of the camera now because y'all done seen this fire already. Yeah, I might eat all this tonight. And I still got crab and lobster. I still got eggs and potatoes. Excuse me. You see how that just cut that right open like that? Bam. So good. I'm putting this lemon on here and dip it in this butter. What'd I drop? Oh, well, I felt something drop, but I ain't seen nothing. Oh, my goodness. This is super smack. Man. Man. I know whoever ain't here, wish they was here. I couldn't even finish that sentence. I had to finish getting that meat out. Crab is my favorite, one of my favorites. Look at all that sticking there. So, do y'all like y'all crab steam or like sticky? What I mean by sticky is like frying it, sauteing it in some butter and some garlic and like some olive oil and stuff until it get like all sticky and make the skillet sticky. That's what I mean by sticky crab, okay? When you make the skillet hard to wash out. I can't stand that skillet when it's hard to wash out. But this food is the bomb. Yes, I gotta watch what I put in my mouth because I don't play those kind of games. And if y'all like good food and watching people cook good food and watching people eat good food, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Pink Cake 3600. Like, share, subscribe. Really share the video to get it out there. People are like, man, she be cooking up some good food. Okay? I gotta really show y'all what I can do, because to tell you the truth, seafood is not hard to cook at all. Unless you're doing something special to it, like making it sticky. Like anybody can boil seafood and put a crab boil or whatever it's called, seafood boil in it. But you gotta put your own touch on it to make it taste, to make that taste pop. Like right now, this taste is popping. Okay? Pop in. Don't it look like it? Look. Y'all can't tell me that don't look good. Yes, honey. And I wish YouTube would let me make my own thumbnail because it'll be like this. And it means something like that. Both mine. Yes. And I can do that because it's mine. Okay? Y'all, the sauce is the one. Y'all know y'all need to go try this sauce. Uh-oh. Y'all, this fire is tripping. It's getting bigger. Look at it. Look how big that fire is. Look at that. Look at that crab meat. Look at that crab meat right there. Get all that lemon juice on there. Do I want it in the Be Lovely sauce or do I want it in this? I'm gonna put it in this butter sauce. I ain't got time for that little bit. We're gonna use the knife to cut that open and try to pull that out. That did not come out like I thought it was gonna come out. Yep. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. I'm telling y'all. That's good. And I'm piling all those shells up over there. Okay. And I'm getting this. This lemon juice on the seafood though. It's the 1, a 2, and a 3. I'm leaving meat up in there. I know I am. Get it all out. I'm about to put some lemon on that though. Let's just finish tearing this up. Just like that. Put the lemon juice on this. And dip it in there. That is so extremely delicious. No, y'all. I don't know how to hold it. So now put it right there. But y'all can see that beautiful crab leg. Man. Y'all not gonna be able to see me. And I still got these eggs over here. Y'all let me eat this lobster. Okay. I like when I cut it in half like that. To me, it's easier to get out the shell. That's what I like. You just pull it right on out. But sometimes when you have nails, that make it difficult. And I'm dipping that in this butter right here. Oh, that's butter dripping. This is lemon juice going on it. I had a shell. And something has to come out. Y'all just don't know. I had a whole lot on my plate. I still gotta do some baking after this. So, what should I eat? A egg? Well, I'm just gonna bite one. I probably won't eat the whole thing because I want to eat all my seafood. Okay, that's what I want to do. I just want to bite it. I'm probably not gonna eat it all. I still got lobster and crab left. And I don't know what to eat next. I guess I'm gonna eat this lobster tail. I want a bite. Take a bite. Well, you probably don't want a bite of it with this shell on it, huh? Let me take the shell off for you. Okay? Let me take the shell off for you. That didn't even come out all the way right, because there's still lobster up in that. I don't know which one tastes better. This butter or this Be Lovely Smackalicious sauce with this lemon. I think the Be Lovely sauce tastes better. But a combination of the two. That's a winner. I thought it was some more in there. I like my lobster just like that. I used to like it with you putting it on top of the shell, you know, for that type of presentation like the restaurants do it, but I like this actually better. And then I cut my fingers a lot less because technically when you're doing it like this, you just cutting it up the middle twice with the scissors. Cut through the meat, flip it over, and cut through the back. And then it's like, to me, I think it looks like it's butterfly to me. So, there we go. What is wrong with me getting this lobster out, okay? My nails need to be doing me justice, but it's not, though. Look at all this meat still up in there. I'm not letting that, I'm not about to sit that down and be like, oh, let me get another one. Nope. That's it right there. Y'all like, dang, she ain't saying nothing. I'm all up into this lobster tail. Y'all can see me. I'm like, I'm trying to get this meat up out of here. Because it's so good and it's just, I'm trying to get it all the way out and it ain't coming. And I don't got time to be doing these little baby snatches to get all that lobster meat. See how I got that out? That's a pretty color. All that out like that. See, I didn't found one to where I didn't even get all the meat out of. Like, what am I thinking? This stuff ain't free. This is expensive. You better get all that lobster meat up out of there. Let's start on this one. I wonder how much more am I going to eat. I got more. Oh, wait. Let me get that first. How did I even let that go? Look at all that I just pulled up out of that one. Dang. Lemon on every bite now because it tastes so good. Like, listen, a smackalicious sauce. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Y'all, it is 41 minutes. Remember I told y'all I eat slow. And to me, I feel like I'm about to eat this whole thing because I've really been starving. And for some odd reason, I can act like I don't know how to get this lobster out. That just means I'm tired. I wish I can go to sleep and my kitchen still be in progress. Of course, with my same recipes and my same skill, of course. Because I ain't playing no games with nobody else. But, yeah. I wish that. But wishful thinking, right? Who else wish they can go to sleep and their kitchen still be running at their same caliber? You know what I'm saying? Everything's still getting, I'm breaking that in half to get some in this sauce right here. Mm-hmm. And break this other piece and put it in this butter. Y'all don't know. I still got crab left and lobster and eggs and potatoes and vegetables. But I'm full. Okay. Your girl full. I ain't got no water. It's still lobster meat and these lobster tails. What is wrong with me? Y'all know that's not supposed to go behind like that. Y'all, another piece of lobster meat. The dryer just stopped. I wonder who drying, who doing laundry. Probably my daughter. She doing some laundry. So good. But this is my last bite. Oh man, I still got more crab. Oh my goodness. I ain't gonna be able to do it. Y'all. My hands so messy. And my legs got a cramp. I still have to get up and complete the rest of my stuff I need to do tonight. Because like I said, during Thanksgiving, only some things could be done ahead, but some things have to be done a day of. So, on that note, I need to get up and do the things that I can do the day before ahead and do them right now. Because I done ate all this food, and believe it or not, I'm tired, but I have a whole lot to do. So tell me What did y'all think about these crab legs? Did they look good to you? Crab claw. I still got lobster too. I'm full. Lobster tails. Look at that. That looks so good. And then I have this crab in here too. Y'all, that is a lot of food left. And don't forget about the potatoes and eggs. But y'all, I'm just rambling on and on and on. I'm full. I'm not going to eat no more. I wish everybody a happy and safe Thanksgiving. I hope y'all eat lots of food, lots of delicious food. I hope don't nobody come encounter with nothing nasty. Because if you come encounter with something nasty, you're not going to be happy. Or did we discuss that already? If you eat some nasty food, how do you feel? Are you mad about it? Or are you like, yeah, it was nasty? Or are you like, what the heck? This was gross. I dare somebody serve me something like this. Like, how do you feel about that? I don't know. It all depends on my mood. But like I said, I like good food. I don't have time for nothing nasty. And I am about to go clean my nails really good. I'm just getting some stuff out right now. I don't like nasty food. I cook good food. I eat good food. I love to be around good food. So I can't do nasty food, y'all. But, excuse me, y'all. I'm sorry about that. Until next time. This fire is still going. I don't think I want to leave right now, y'all. But like I said, I'm tired. And I'm just tired. So I will see y'all next time, okay? Happy Thanksgiving. Excuse me, because I'm about to get up and hit this camera, okay? Peace out, y'all. Love you. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Share. Comment down below. Let your girl know what you think. Okay, bye.